Really quick video, we are going to be looking at a bash hack that I have been using quite frequently. So I'm going to be making a video with bash hacks as a playlist for myself, just so that I can easily have access to some things just in case I forget. So this is something that I've been using quite a bit. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to make directory ETL files. So a directory called ETL files. I'm going to go to that, change directory to that in bash, and then of course I'm going to create a file. And this is something that I've been doing a lot right now. So vi string file.txt, that's going to create the file. The next, as we see on the left hand side, I'm going to hit the I key, and when I hit the I key at the very bottom, it will say insert. I can then either type or I can copy paste, and pasting is just a left click. And then once I do that, I hit the escape arrow, and when I hit the escape arrow, I will type in :WQ and enter, and that saves the file. So that's something. And then of course the one thing I forgot to put on this is if I type in cat and then what's this file name, cat string file.txt, I can then view it and make sure everything is correct. I will say one thing, on this input here, this WQ or whatnot, I have seen several times where I was copying and pasting something and extra space got added, so that's where the cat can be pretty useful. And then of course if I want to just remove the file, I would just do rm string file.txt. But if I want to remove the directory, I would just do rm etl files with the recurse, and that'll get rid of everything and you can see if I then try to change directories into that, it's going to say, hey, that directory doesn't exist anymore, and so that will remove all the files. But this is something that I've been doing quite frequently, and so it's like I'm going to record a really fast video so that I can just remember several things. But one of the big ones I will say is just if I'm copying and pasting, and I've seen this several times, sometimes an extra space gets added, and so that's something to note. That's where the cat command can be really useful, is to quickly find out, oh, there was an extra space, maybe even an extra character somehow that was typed on this type of stuff.